This exclusive set is perfect for a small windowsill or sunny space, and it's hard to kill. You'll get a variety of miniature cacti with matching planters to display them in. Miniature cacti arrive in 2-inch grow pots nestled in your planter choice. We will do our best to match your assortment to what is pictured. Thrives in bright direct light, but can tolerate bright indirect light. Water every 2 to 3 weeks in direct light, allowing soil to dry out between waterings. Expect to water more often in brighter light and less often in lower light. All cacti are succulents, but not all succulents are cacti. Arils, surface bumps in which spines grow out of, are what distinguishes cacti from other succulents. A wrinkled, dry potting mix indicates a thirsty plant, underwatered. A blanched center suggests the plant needs more sunlight. Yellowing and mushy leaves, along with a wet potting mix, point to root rot, indicating the plant has been overwatered.